Hi, this is Atamian from Gibson, Sotheby's. I want to introduce my new listing at 47 Chestnut Street, unit number 4 in Waltham, Mass. Let's go. I just want to tell you a little bit about this new condominium that came on the market. It's got 2 bedrooms, an amazing loft, a laundry inside the unit, a 1-car garage, and 1.5 bath. This is an amazing home, tons of hardwood floors. You gotta see it. Waltham has a lot to offer. It's got an amazing Moody Street with tons of restaurants, outdoor dining. It also has a train station in town, and it's got buses to Boston. It also has some great recreational places. If you haven't done these things, come check it out. You're gonna love it.